Welcome, my dear beloved students. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Students, you know that we are passing a very critical moment, a very crucial moment due to COVID-19 or novel coronavirus. And in this critical situation, following by the directions of Bangladesh government, Pashapol Amjamtullah Model College arranges online class, and in this online class I am Mr. Azizur Rahman, lecturer in English. Welcome all of you once again. Students, today I will take a class on grammatical item, and I think when you will see the question paper, you will find 12 numbers of questions where total marks are 60, and option B, freehand writing, where total marks is 40. In total we find 100 marks. Today I will take a class. I will teach you a grammatical item, and the item is modifier. The serial number of modifier is 9. I think it is a newly introduced item, and many of my previous students, earlier students feel it is a difficult item, it is a complex item, but I assure you, if you practice it, if you learn it carefully, if you exercise it again and again, I assure it, you can learn it easily, you can understand it simply, and I try to my level best to understand you in a simple manner. So let us try to discuss what is modifier. According to the Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, modifier is a word or a group of words that sits before noun or pronoun and describes or limits its meaning. Look at the blackboard. Modifier is a word or a group of words that will sit before the noun or pronoun and describes or limits its meaning. Students, I request all of you to take a pen and a script and note down the important parts of my lecture. Modifier is a word or a group of words that will sit before the noun or pronoun and describes or limits its meaning. The function of modifier, if we want to clarify the meaning, the definition of modifier, if we want to understand the definition of modifier, I think we will discuss a number of examples of modifier. Then the definition of modifier will more clear to us. Example: number 1, Bangladesh achieved her independence in 1971 through a bloody war. Number 2, he is a bus driver. Look at the blackboard. Here I marked some words, and first sentence, Bangladesh achieved her independence in 1971 through a bloody war. Here independence is a noun and her is possessive of she. Her sits before independence. So here her modifies independence, and in the same sentence we see that war is a noun and bloody sits before the war. Here bloody gives more information about the war, and in previously I said her gives more information about independence. In another sentence we see he is a bus driver. Here driver is a noun and bus is also a noun. Bus sits before the driver. Sitting before driver, bus gives more information about the driver. If we ask, if we say that what types of driver Mr. He is a bus driver. Here bus gives more information and bloody gives more information about war. Her gives more information about independence. In the two sentences we see that her, bloody, his are modifiers. So I think modifiers is clear to you. Earlier I discussed modifier is a word or group of words that will sit before or after the noun or pronoun and gives more information about that noun and pronoun. Students, in the sentences modifier works in some ways. When a modifier works in a sentence as adjective, then it modifies a noun or pronoun. When we see when a modifier works in a sentence as adjective, it modifies a noun or pronoun. We see an example. I saw some mackerels. I saw some mackerels near the surface. I saw some mackerels near the surface. Two professors are coming here. Look at. I saw some mackerels near the surface. Mackerels means fishes of sea. One kind of fish which we find in the sea. Here some seeds before mackerels and some modifies mackerels. Here this function of some is as adjective. Mackerels is a noun and sitting before some modifies mackerels. In another sentence we see two professors are coming here. Two professors. How many professors? Two. Two modifies professors. Two. Here two is quantifier. That means two describes the number of professors. Professors modifiers is two. So I think when modifier works before the noun, then it works in a sentence as adjective. Students, just a minute. When a modifier works in a sentence as adverb, when I think you will note down my lecture, it is an important part, and it will help you to understand later. When a modifier works in a sentence as adverb, it modifies verb, adjective or any adverb. When a modifier works in a sentence, when a modifier works in a sentence as adverb, it modifies verb, adverb or adjective. Look at, when a modifier works in a sentence as adverb, it modifies verb, adverb or adjective. See another example. Adverb to verb. Example, note down please. They work nicely. They work nicely. Here nicely modifies verb. How they work, nicely. Here nicely modifies What? Nicely is an adverb. Then adverb to adjective. Adverb to adjective. She is extremely beautiful. She is extremely beautiful. How beautiful she is? Extremely beautiful. Here extremely modifies beautiful. But beautiful is an adjective and extremely is adverb. Here adverb modifies beautiful. So I think students, you are all clear about the modifier, about the function of modifier in the sentence. Now we will discuss types of modifier. Modifier are two types. Modifier are two types. Number one, pre-modifier and post-modifier. Pre-modifier and post-modifier. I think as a students of intermediate level, all of you have a minimum mobile set, either it smart or analog. Your phone have one or two SIMs. One or two SIMs. In our country, we use two categories of SIM card at a mobile phone. On prepaid and postpaid. Prepaid means loading money before talking. Prepaid means loading money before talking, and postpaid means after talking paying money. Here pre-modifier, pre means before and post means after. Pre-modifier means positions of modifier before the noun or pronoun, and post-modifier means positions of noun after the noun and pronoun. Pre-modifier, look at, he is a school teacher. He is a school teacher. Here teacher is a noun and school is also a noun. School sits before teacher. Sitting before school modifies teacher. So here school is pre-modifier. In the questions paper, you will find as the question use noun as pre-modifier. Use noun as pre-modifier. We can use here school, college or university, all are noun, and all these nouns modifies teacher. Here school teacher, college teacher and university teacher is a pre-modifier. Again, Qazi Nazrul Islam. Use appositive, as post modifier. Was born at was born in Surulia district. Qazi Nazrul Islam is a noun. Look at, we are discussing the example of post modifier. Qazi Nazrul Islam use appositive as post modifier. Qazi Nazrul Islam, here gap or dash, was born in Surulia district. Surulia in Bardhaman district. So Qazi Nazrul Islam is a noun. Here we will see appositive. Appositive means extra information of noun. We can say our national poet. National poet. Here look carefully. Qazi Nazrul Islam, our national poet, was born in Surulia district. These words we earlier says modifier is a word or groups of word. Here groups of word. These groups of word sits after the noun, and sitting here it gives more information about Qazi Nazrul Islam. If we ask any person who is Qazi Nazrul Islam, we can say our national poet Qazi Nazrul Islam. Then we understand this, our national poet Qazi Nazrul Islam sits after the noun, and sitting here these words gives more information about that noun, and our national poet modifies Qazi Nazrul Islam. Here our national poet is post modifier. So I think all of you have got a preliminary comprehension, a preliminary knowledge about what is modifier, what is the function of modifier in the sentences, and how many types of modifier through some examples. Now I want to discuss about the usings of modifier, and this is the main fact, this is the main theme, main fact of our learning, of our class. and I think you will be more careful about my lecture. Look at adjective. We know that what is adjective. Adjective, generally in a sentence, adjective gives more information about a noun or pronoun, and we use in the sentences adjective as pre-modifier. Adjective as pre-modifier. He gave me a picture. Use adjective as pre-modifier. Students, look carefully, and I think you are noting down my lecture, and from here you will find the question system, and I try my level best to understand you in a simple manner. He gave me dash picture. Use adjective as pre-modifier. Here in this blank space we use a word, and this word must be an adjective, and this adjective will modify picture. If I say he gave me a nice picture, beautiful picture, then the meaning will he gave me a nice or beautiful picture. Here nice is adjective, beautiful is also adjective. Adding beautiful or nice, it modifies picture. What types of picture he gave me? He gave me a nice picture. Here nice or beautiful modifies picture. So we learn adjective as pre-modifier. Use of adjective as pre-modifier. Picture is a noun, beautiful is adjective, nice also adjective. We can easily use he gave me a nice picture, he gave me a beautiful picture. Here beautiful and nice both are modifying picture. It is an example of adjective as pre-modifier. Clear? I think you will practice it at your home when you will free, and after watching my lecture we will discuss more classes about the modifier, and if you have any question you can ask me by phone, or you can ask me through WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, etc. I will try to solve your question today. Today's class is ended, and all of you students, I heartily request all of you to follow the health rules to save yourself, your family, your country from the pandemic coronavirus. And during these lazy time, I always request all of you not to touch any kind of drugs, because drug destroy a beautiful bright future. Drug destroy a nice, beautiful and hopeful hope of any kind of uh, person, any family. So I request all of you not to touch any kind of drug and always follow the health rules which is declared by Bangladesh government. Okay, fine, thank you.